So hey all, welcome back to another video of VJ Aarnavi presents Aarnavi Vlogs. एंड कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने एक स्टोरी डाली थी जो कुछ ऐसी दिखती है, बट आप सबके उस पर यस आए. मीन्स सबके तो नहीं, बट काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोगों के यस आए. सो मीन्स आपको स्टार्टिंग वीडियो चाहिए थी एंड योर स्टार्टिंग वीडियो इज़ है Geography Chapter 3 Mineral and Resources. So let's start the chapter and जो chapter है वो एक PPT के थ्रू है. So चलिए चलते हैं. सो एक बात तो बताना मैं भूल ही गई. काफ़ी लोग सोचते हैं कि पीपीटी के थ्रू मतलब चैप्टर बीच में से भी नहीं हो पाता. मीन्स अगर हम रीडिंग करेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छे से होगा, हमें हर एक मीनिंग पता लगेगा कि क्या है क्या नहीं. सो इस पीपीटी में हर एक छोटी से छोटी, बड़ी से बड़ी हर एक चीज़ दी हुई है. सो यू कैन वॉच इट आउट फुल. एंड ये वीडियो जो है थोड़ी सी लंबी होएगी, सो डोंट माइंड दैट.
Geography. Mineral, a naturally occurring substance with a defined chemical composition. They are not evenly distributed over space and are concentrated in a particular area or rock formation. How are minerals formed? Under different geological environments and varying conditions. They are created with natural processes without human interference. How can we identify minerals? On the basis of physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical property like solubility. Example, salt and graphite. On the basis of composition, there are some types of minerals. Metallic, that contains metal, not metallic, that do not contain metal. Metallic minerals. They contain hard substances, conduct heat and electricity. They have a shine. Example, iron, bauxite, as well as manganese ore. They are of two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous, minerals that contain iron. Example, iron, manganese, chromides, etc. Non-ferrous, minerals that do not contain iron but may contain some other metal. Example, gold, silver, copper, or lead. Non-metallic minerals. They do not contain metals. Example, limestone, mica, and gypsum. Mineral fuel like coal and petroleum. How are minerals extracted? Mining, taking out minerals from rocks buried under the surface. Open cast mining, taking out minerals from shallow depths by removing the surface layer. Shaft mining, deep bores are made to get minerals from depth. Drilling, deep wells are bored to extract minerals from depth. Example, petroleum and natural gas. Last, carrying, minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out through carrying. So, now we know that how minerals are extracted, but do we know anything about their distribution around the world? There are some different types of rocks that are igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Distribution of metallic minerals. Metallic minerals usually found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. These are large plateaus. Example, iron ore in Sweden, copper and nickel in Ontario, iron, nickel, platinum in South Africa, etc. Distribution of non-metallic minerals. These are usually found in sedimentary rock formation of plains and young-fold mountains. Example, limestone in Caucasus region, manganese in Georgia, Ukraine and phosphate of Bulgaria. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum also found here. In Asia, there are some minerals and countries. As you can see here, maps and one table. Hope you will see this table and understand the table. Asia has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. Did you know that Switzerland has no non-mineral deposit? Second, Europe is the world leading producer of iron ore. Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France holds largest deposits. Third, a green diamond is the rarest. Fourth, world oldest rocks west is the West Australia. North America. Here minerals are in three zones that are Canadian region, Appalachians, Western Cold Drift. South America. There are some countries and the minerals where it is found. Hope you will see this. And South Africa also hosts large deposits of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos, and diamond. South America. Minerals oil in the South America. Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. Africa, rich in mineral resources, world largest producer of diamonds, gold, and platinum. Gold, South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire. Oil, Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. Copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. Australia, largest producer of bauxite, gold, Colgoria, and Colgardia regions. Diamond, iron ore, tin, and nickel. Copper, lead, zinc, and manganese. Antarctica, cold, transantarctic mountains. Iron, Prince Charles Mountains. Gold, silver, and oil. Hope you will see this map. Uses of minerals. And there are some uses of minerals as you can see in this table. As we know that minerals are non-renewable and are formed in a very long span of time. So we should not waste them and must reuse them to conserve them. Now we will study about power resources. By power resource, we mean electricity or energy, which is used for various purposes. There are two types of power resources. First, conventional, which have been in use for a long time, firewood and fossil fuels. Non-conventional, solar energy, wind energy, wind energy, and tidal energy, that is renewable. Conventional resources. Firewood, widely used for cooking and heating. 50% of energy used by villages comes from firewood. Fossil fuel, remains of plants and animals that turn into fuel due to heat and pressure, such as coal, petrol, natural gas, etc. Coal is used as domestic fuel in industries, iron and steel, used in steam engines and generating electricity. Coal is found in world and India. Here is one table of coal. Hope you will see this and understand this and remember this. Petroleum. Petroleum is also known as black gold, serves as fuel in our vehicles. Found between the layers of rocks and is extracted from oil fields in offshore and coastal areas. Petroleum. The crude oil is refined to produce diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic, lubricants, etc. Found in Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, USA, Russia, Algeria, etc. In India, it is found in Digboi, Assam, Bombay, High, Mumbai, and Krishna Godavari Basin. Natural gas. It is released when crude oil is brought to surface, used as domestic and industrial fuel. Major producers are Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands. Hydel Power. Water stored in dams is used to produce electricity known as hydroelectricity. The falling water is made to flow through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. Here are Hydel Power leading producers in world that are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Hydel Power Station in India. Bhakra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar, Damodar Valley Project. Non-conventional solar energy. Solar energy trapped from the sun is used in solar cells to produce electricity. Cells are joined into solar panels for heating and light. Wind energy. Earlier was used to grind grains and lift water. The high-speed winds to rotate the wind mill, which is connected to a generator to produce electricity, located in coastal areas in mountains. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA, and Spain. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. Nuclear fission of these fuels produces power. USA and Europe are the largest producers, Rajasthan and Jharkhand, and Kerala. There are some nuclear power stations, as you can see in the table given. Geothermal energy. It is the heat energy obtained from Earth. This heat energy can be used to generate power. It is in the form of hot springs used for cooking, bathing, etc. This is the table of geothermal energy, that is of world and India. Tidal energy. Energy generated from tides. It is harnessed by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. During high tide, the energy of this tide is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Russia and France. Gulf of Kutch in India have huge tidal mill farms. Biogas. Organic waste such as dead plants and animals dung, and kitchen waste can be converted into a gaseous fuel called biogas. The organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas digesters to emit biogas, which is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. It is used for cooking and lighting and produces huge amount of organic manure each year. Thank you.